It forms resistant spores that quietly survive. Through heat and radiation, they can still remain alive. It may live in the colon as part of normal flora. Toxigenic or harmless strains may linger in the aura, but swallow spores fecal orally, especially where care is given, and hospital-acquired disease may soon be driven. When antibiotics clear the friendly flora away, C. diff grows unchecked and toxins lead the way. Clindamycin, fluoroquinolones, remember these four themes. Penicillins and broad cephalosporins raise the risk, it seems. C. diff, after antibiotics strike, toxins A and B attack the colon alike. They break the cytoskeleton, tight junctions lose control, then foul, high-volume, watery diarrhea starts to roll. Fever and leukocytosis, pseudomembranes may appear. Toxic megacolon means the danger is severe. Test the stool with PCR or toxin AI. Treat with oral vanc or pseudomembranous right away. Proton pump inhibitors lower acid in the gut, allowing spores to germinate when defenses have been cut. Toxin A is TCD, toxin B is TCDB, and toxin B is more virulent in pathogenicity. They target colonic mucosal cells and inactivate Rho. The cellular cytoskeleton can no longer hold its role. Intercellular tight junctions break, permeability will rise. Fluid shifts and inflammation follow close behind. Yellow-white exudates coat the injured colon wall. Pseudomembranous colitis is the hallmark of it all. Foul-smelling, watery diarrhea, pouring fast and free with fever and declining white cell count in severe disease. C. diff, after antibiotics strike, toxins A and B attack the colon alike. They break the cytoskeleton, tight junctions lose control, then foul, high-volume, watery diarrhea starts to roll. Fever and leukocytosis, pseudomembranes may appear. Toxic megacolon means the danger is severe. Test the stool with PCR or toxin EIR. Treat with oral vanc or pseudomembranous right away. Now finds toxin genes, usually PCR, and antibody toxin EI detects the toxins where they are. Glutamate dehydrogenase can screen the strains you see, but cannot tell toxigenic from non-toxigenic. C. Artificial oral vancomycin is first-line therapy. Bitaxomicin also treats the disease effectively for fulminant severe infection. Add IV metronidazole too with oral vancomycin, working in the colon through and through. When infection keeps returning and antibiotics fail, fecal microbiota transplants may restore the microbial scale. Place the patient in contact, precautions at the door. Wear a non-sterile gown and gloves before entering the floor. Alcohol sanitizer cannot kill the spores away. Wash with soap and water so transmission cannot stay. Though hospitals remain the classic setting where it's found, community-acquired cases have been rising all around. Protect the healthy microbiome, recognize the warning signs, and stop the spores from spreading through contaminated lines. C. diff, after antibiotics strike, toxins A and B attack the colon alike. They break the cytoskeleton, tight junctions lose control, then foul, high-volume, watery diarrhea starts to roll. Fever and leukocytosis, pseudomembranes may appear. Toxic megacolon means the danger is severe. Test the stool with PCR or toxin EIR. Treat with oral vanc or pseudomembranous right away. Gram-positive spore-forming anaerobic rot. Soap and water stop the spores that alcohol cannot restore. The flora block the spread and know the toxin flow. When antibiotics clear the gut, don't let C. difficile grow.